here we are, May 14th.
Happy birthday, Tio! What's his birthday?
That has nothing to do with what we're doing here. No, it does not. So it's May 14th. We got up this morning and it's 31 degrees. I'm sure it's about 90 degrees back in Florida. People keep telling us about blogging about our trip and what we do, and up to now I've taken pictures and I've done videos of the places we go to, but now we're actually going to talk about it, right?
Okay, we'll give it a try.
See? We're going to talk about it. We're going to do what? Give it a try?
We're going to vlog.
But we're on our way to the Grand Canyon right now. We're about 15 miles away. We have a great place. We're staying in Williams, Arizona, which is about 55 miles away, but the road around here is beautiful, and we're looking forward to going to the Grand Canyon and doing a big hike today. So stay tuned. Mary, what do you got there?
This is what you get when you get old.
And what is that?
It's a lifetime pass, and so Juan gets in free with me to all the national parks. Score! Good morning to you.
Thank you.
Bye.
But Skeleton, but you will get a great view of the river at Skeleton Point.
Oh, you will?
Yeah, you will.
Okay.
You'll you know you're there when there's a sign right at the side of the trail that says Skeleton Point.
Okay.
But you can't see anything there, so get off the trail, and there'll be other people down there too doing the same thing. You'll see them. Get off the trail, go off to your left. You can see where people have been walking out to the left. Go out there maybe 100 feet or so, and start looking over the ledges.
Okay.
And spectacular view right down at the river at Phantom Ranch or at any garden campground. It's spectacular view. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Excellent.
And then kind of hang out there for a bit and then turn around and come back up, and you'll have a good rest of the day.
Good deal.
Yeah.
There's just a lot of less people. But then we got to remember that everything that goes down must come up. So we're going to have to climb this back up. They say it takes twice as long to climb up as it does to go down. So, but we have all the time in the world. Right, babe?
You bet.
Because when you're retired, every day's a Saturday. the way up. We're taking a lot more stops. It's a little different.
The
Going
tortoise
up.
and the hare. I'm the tortoise.
A beautiful tortoise at that.
Oh, thank you.
But
Slow and steady.
slow and steady.
Lots of oxygen.
And lots of water. And we got that. But it's beautiful out here.
Yeah.